Hello students. In this video, we will discuss a program to print sum of all array elements in C language. So let's start this. First of all, I have mentioned comment in this one program. Then we have to include the header files stdio.h and conio.h. Then we have started the main program. Now we have to declare the array because now we want to print the sum of all array elements. So we need one array. I have declared a array A with name A, and the size of array is 10, and all the elements of array are of integer type. After that I have declared variable I of integer type, variable n of integer type, and one more variable sum of integer type, and I have initialized also the value of sum is equal to 0. Then we have to use clear screen function. This is the library function, and the definition of clear screen function is mentioned in conio.h header file. After that, first of all, we will give input to the program the size of array by the use of scanf statement. So firstly, I have used printf statement to give a message to the user on output screen, enter the size of array. Then scanf statement, for size of array, I have used variable n of integer type. So format specifier for integer type is %d. %d within the double quotes, then comma, then ampersand, name of the variable n. After that, we have to enter the value of these elements. So I have given one text within the printf statement, enter. Suppose I have given the size of array 5, then enter 5 elements of array. We want to display this on the screen, enter 5 elements of array, and regarding this format specifier, we have a corresponding variable n, and n contain the size of array. So now we want to give input to the array elements. We want to input the values for the array elements, and the size of array we have used n variable. So to give input to our array elements, we use for loop. So we have started for loop. One counter variable we have used I of integer type. I is equal to 0 and condition will be I less than n. Then third part of for loop will be I plus plus. Then curly braces start. Within the curly braces, we will use scanf statement because scanf statement is used to give input in our program. Scanf %d because array elements are of integer type, and format specifier for integer type is a %d, then comma, then ampersand a of I. The value of I will be firstly 0, it means a of 0, then I value will be increased by 1, it means next time this will be array element a of 1, then next time I value will be 2, then it will be a of 2, and so on. Then next, here we will give the value of array element. Now we want to print sum of all array elements. First of all, we have used one variable with name sum, and we initialize the value of sum with 0. Now we will add the value of sum with in each and every array elements. So within the loop, we will use the statement sum is equal to sum plus a of I. So within this loop, we will find the sum of all array elements. So after this loop, we will just print the sum of all array elements. So within the printf, I am using text sum of array elements is equal to, and the sum of array elements is available in variable sum. Sum is of type integer. So for integer, we have to use format specifier %d, comma, name of the variable sum. Then we will use the getch function and end of the main program. Now let's compile this program by pressing Alt F9 key from the keyboard. Alt F9, success. Press any key. Then now I'm going to execute this program, or I'm going to run this program by pressing Control F9. Control and F9 from the keyboard. See, firstly it is demanding enter the size of array. Suppose I have given size 5. then enter 5 elements of array. Now I have to give 5 values for array elements. Suppose I'm using 10, then 20, next 30, 40 and 50. Now hit the enter key. Sum of array elements is equal to 150. So this is the program. So let's again execute this. Enter the size of array, suppose 2. Then it will demand enter 2 elements of arrays, suppose 45 and the 25. Hit enter key. Sum of array elements is equal to 70. So with the help of this program, we can print sum of all array elements in our C program. So I hope this is clear to all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day.